Hello there. Today we will try and see what is the meaning of negative painting in watercolors. You must remember that we generally do not use white or black colors in watercolors, as these colors, although labeled transparent, are always opaque. White and black are always opaque colors. So, generally, we avoid using whites, and instead, in watercolors, if you want to paint a subject which is white, we leave out that much portion of the paper white and color the rest. This process is called negative painting. Say, for example, if I wish to make or paint a white flower in watercolors, I would first draw the flower with a light pencil. Say, for example, if it's a tubular flower, I'll first make a simple sketch of the flower with pencil. And then start my watercolors in this way. I would blend a little bit of yellow into the green. Take some yellow, take some green, and deposit the yellow green colors surrounding the subject, that is the white flower. Occasionally, I touch a little green into the yellow to make it look yellow greens in the surroundings. Add some more greens to show the darker portions of the greens, that is, the shadow areas of the greens on the lower portions, that means underneath the flower, and occasionally allowing the wet in wet to be created. The greens mingling with the yellow greens. If you have not seen, you may make, you can view some of my earlier videos titled Basic Washes in Watercolors, Part 1, 2, and 3, which would be sort of related to this attempt. So here is a classical example of wet in wet technique, where I put washes of wet color into one another, and I create those lovely yellow greens. So as you can see, as I go on placing one color into another, I have generated the shape, mind you, the shape of the white flower. The white flower yet doesn't look complete because it lacks certain things. Let us see what they are. But all the same, my attempt to produce something white in watercolors is nearing success. Now I allow this to completely dry. And once dry, I will select another color called Payne's Grey. Payne's Grey is a beautiful grey which, when diluted with water, creates a lovely mild grey tone. I apply the Payne's Grey in the center of the flower. Wash the brush and do some softening. Please refer to the earlier videos to learn what is softening. So a kind of a hollow has been generated here, and then I add some Payne's grey on the petals and wash the brush and do some softening on each petal. The softening results into the formation of delicate tones over the white of the flower, making it look fluffy and rounded. So as you can see, adding these tones with the help of the Payne's grey makes the flower look full and complete. The shadow cast by the flower on top of the neck, and then slightly deepening the central area so as to create the kind of the funnel which is required to show such a flower. So as you can see, I have generated the feel of a white flower without using the color white. This is the beauty of watercolors. You create something which you want without actually painting it. So without doing much of work on the water, on the flower, I have been able to generate the feel of the white flower simply by painting the surroundings and adding a few tones on top of the body of the flower. So there I go, a beautiful flower, white flower painted in watercolors. So if you have liked this video, please press the like button and share it with your friends and groups. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for viewing this video.